camera, and today we're going to be unboxing this Miele Blizzard CX1 power line. So we ordered this because we had a bad experience of the vacuum cleaner and the good ones. So we ordered this and it has a warranty of 5 years and it's for £280. That's quite a lot of money, and today we're going to be unboxing this product. Alright guys, so here we have some scissors, not scissors, a knife. Be careful. Alright guys, here it is opened. Let me cut that off. Alright guys, here it is opened. So the first thing you see on here, it says, first take out this pole, which is the trunk of the actual thing. You take it out and then it shows that you actually take the vacuum cleaner out, and here it shows all the parts that it comes with. Yep. So now let's open it. Alright, first so take this out. That's the side. Okay, now we need to take this out. Let's place this to the floor. On the floor. Alright. Now let's take it out. Yeah, my dad's gonna take it out. Alright, so here it is taken out. Place it over here. Anything else in this box? Alright, so we have this. Okay, so we're gonna put this box over there. Then we're gonna open this now. Okay, open it the wrong way. Right, so first it comes with this Miele guidebook, I think. It has loads of pages that we don't need to read. It has, at the end it has these instructions to how to put the parts together. So we're going to be looking at that. Okay. Place that over there. So alright, so we have opened all the parts that it comes with. Alright, so first we have this extension pole which you can use to attach onto here, like that. And then it just clips in. Or you can use this and attach it on there. So, and this is like a little brush. It's just a little extension with it, and it comes with. So we have that done. Okay, and then there's this, which you actually clean with, and it's made by the actual Miele, and it has rollers on it. And as you can see, there's little things that it makes sure that all the parts of the if you like put something, and then it makes sure it cleans properly. And then it has this switch. When you pull it, it turns into carpet mode. So as you can see, look. So if I look, these things are pulling, and then if I press it, that's carpet mode. That's hard floor mode. All right. So if I put it on hard floor, ready? Alright, so it turns like that. These bits come up, and that makes sure that we get all the dirt out of the carpet. Alright, so that's out of the way. Now we have this. This is also used for this part. If you want to make sure you've got all the, especially like under your sofas and stuff, you can make sure that you've cleaned them well. That's the thing. Alright. And you can attach it on the end of here. Oh no, you can't. Alright. And then we have this long pipe. Okay, take that off. So I've taken take this out. Right, so this material is really good. So if you squish it like really hard and bend it and stuff, you can stretch it, bend it, pull it, and it's really hard material, so that's good. And this pipe is also for things that you can put in, I think might be this, yeah, you can put in there, I think, no, and then that stretches out like that, and then when you're gonna get it out, you can just pull that and then pull it out. Alright, put this all back in. Alright guys, so now we actually move on to the actual product. And as I can see, I haven't taken the wrapper off, and I can even see it's pretty solid, and it's quite an unusual shape, and it's really clear and really big. It's quite unusually big because we have used vacuum cleaners that are not this big actually. So this is really big. It has a handle on it and it's good. And then we turn it around, and then let's put it down here. All right, take the wrapper off. All right. As I can already see, it's really shiny, it's really clear. It has these buttons on it. As you can see from here, it's really shiny. It has this handle so you can hold it, and it's really heavy. And under here, it also has some really good quality wheels that you can turn anywhere. Alright, so how to put it together is in this wheel. First, let me just show you what this can do. Alright, so first there's a switch. This is a switch that says carpet, which is just a normal carpet. That's a hard carpet. That's probably some normal carpet. That's the minimum that it can go. So the less it can go, that's the max it can go. That's the max. So if you really want it to get all the dirt out, then I recommend using that. Alright, so it has a clean button. It has a comfort. A comfort is, so if you take this out, in one click, it all goes back in. And it has this power button that you can power it on. And it also has, under here, it has more parts. So there's this part, which is thinner. It's a thin hose, right? And there's this part, if I can take it out. There's this part which has these tiny rubber things on it, so you can actually get it smoothly. Let me just put that back in. And that's back in. Alright. And guys, so this is quite easy to just pull and take out. And it's really easy, and I'm surprised. Alright guys, if you actually want to get into the clear over there and then just plug all the thing out, you have to. All you need to do is press that button and it will all come down. All the dirt will get down. And inside of here, there's actually another filter. I think, if I can get it out. Actually, another filter. Let me see. I can't get it out. So yeah, there's another filter over there. And that's all the things that's inside there. The filter goes there. And then just close it. So guys, there's another filter actually in here, which you just have to pull this side and then it comes out. So this is another filter. That you can actually clean this filter with warm water. You can put warm water inside here and then just shake it and then pour the water out in this hole. And it actually cleans it, and it actually shows you here how you can clean it. And you can open it by switching this like that and then like that. So that's how you open it. Alright, so the way you just put it back in, you do that, and then you just scroll it over to here. Then it's locked now. You can't pull it. Okay. There, it's locked. Okay, let me just see how you lock it. Okay, you need to do that. Now it's locked. As you see, there's a lock sign there and an unlock sign. So the way you just put it in is really easy actually. You just put it like that and then push it like that. Alright, so the way you put this back in is pretty easy. You just hold the handle, put that there, and then put that over there. There we go, that's how you put it back in. And on this side, there's actually the handles. Alright guys, so it's really easy to lock in. It has loads of good locks, so you can make sure that you have it locked in. So here's I put that together, and here it has the air. So if you want more air to come out, then you just pull that up, and if you want less air, you just pull that down. Right, so the way you attach this, you just put that in, and then it locks on, and then the way you take it out, you push that, and then also this can go bigger. Yeah, it can go bigger, or it can go smaller. Bigger, it can go really big, it can go small, okay? So, and then you put this in there, and there's a lock there. You just push that there, and then you just take that out like that. Yeah. Alright, so as you can see, we have pulled the string out and plugged it in, and the string is quite long. It's actually 6.5 meters long. So now we're gonna test it. We'll put some polish down. Okay. Let's test it now. Okay, as you can see, we can pull this stronger like that, or we can do this like that. And then now we're gonna test it. So I'm obviously gonna put it on carpet mode, because this is a carpet. So guys, if you come here, I'm probably gonna put it on the carpet mode since it's a carpet. And now all you need is press the simple button. Now it's starting, as you can see, really hard, and the air comes out of here. Right, so now let's get testing. This is really hard to push. As you can see, guys, so this is the carpet one. Now I'm gonna try the min, which is the minimum. I'm gonna try how that does. So guys, the min does quite well as well. Now it's time for the max. Now I'm doing the max. It makes quite a lot of noise. Definitely a lot of noise. I can't push it. Wow. Wow. Oh. As you can see, guys, now it's all clean. And that was quite good. I'm really impressed. Now all we need to do, pull that. As you guys can see, it takes a long time for you to get to the max sign. Never go past the max sign, or it'll go in through the holes over there. As you can guys see, it cleaned really well, and now all we need is clean the filters and dump all that out, and we'll be good to go. So it has a very good feature that normal vacuum cleaners, like when you clean your floor, all the dust comes out here, and you often find dust on your table and stuff. But this has an air filtration going on all over here, and it takes off clean air. It's not dirty at all, it's clean. So with this, it has a really good feature. You hardly get any dust on your table and everywhere. So this is a really good vacuum cleaner now. Hey, Mommy and Daddy, we're done cleaning here.